Part 2. All right, 2 more equations. All right. This one has a little sadness to it.
Oh no.
I have no friends.
Sad story.
As I've mentioned, we need to have the same bases, and it's pretty obvious in this problem we need the bases to be 10. Well, I've told you this story over and over. Here's somebody with a negative attitude upstairs. They promise if I get my room downstairs, my attitude will turn positive. Say yep.
Yep.
Well, here's the deal. This kid has a room downstairs and they're happy. They got a positive attitude. Their parents, yeah, Matt knows what's going to happen. Their parents say, oh, we like your little brother more. We're going to move you upstairs and give him your room. What? We can move this up from a 10 to the positive one, move it up top, and it gets a negative attitude, like you would in real life if your room was in the basement and you liked it and they moved you up. All right, shake your head. Those watching the video, shake your head. Shake your head, this makes sense. All right, and now we have tens. Add these exponents, add -5, -4x. And all of a sudden, once the bases are the same, it goes to algebra 1. 1/4. Let's see. That's -5/4 plus 1/4 is -1. Same thing, it double checks. And one more. And you have more than 1 day to work on this. This isn't due the start of tomorrow. You have more than 1 day to work on this. All right, and this one is sort of cool. Oh my! We need same base in these problems. Hint, hint, hint. Probably the base should be 3. Let's get out our fingers. Good luck. 3 times 3 is
9.
times 3
27.
times 3.
81.
That's the same as 3 to the 4th. Please pay attention here for a second. You must put in parentheses n plus 2. You must do that, and we'll do the distributive property in a minute. Well, if you were awake a few minutes ago, fingers out. 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. That becomes 3 to the 5th. This is really cool. The same problem is going to switch over to the smart board. You know, those teachers that know what they're doing, they wouldn't do that. They just do smart board. Okay. Distributive property. Distributive property. 3 to the 12n plus 8 over 3 -5n. I need an n here. Oh, that poor little kid. The 3 to the -5n has a negative attitude. I promise. If I go upstairs, my attitude will become positive, and your parents or guardians, for some reason, believe you. And look, it's true. It goes to the top and becomes a positive 5n. Ha! All of a sudden, things are coming into clearness. So we add the two together. And we get 3 to the 17n plus 8. And once we've got the common bases, to solve the equation, we don't need to worry about that. Just do algebra 1 skills. We just need to look and get the exponents the same. I'm going to show you what I did last hour, or first hour. I'm even going to admit it on the video. Okay? Okay, that's a mistake, that's a mistake, that's a mistake. Okay. it should be 4/17, right? Okay, here's what I did first hour, because I made that mistake. Watch. Oh, it didn't get on the screen. Okay, here, let me do it again. There. All right. All right, you've got more than one day, so don't look